everyone, Ryan Prasad here with Bixalon for NRF 2020. Come check out our industrial line of label printers. So what we've got here is our entry-level XT240 4-inch label printer. Entry-level, lower speed, price conscious. It's got an all-metal cabinet, 203 and 300 DPI, all the connectivity options that you need for lower volume industrial applications. Moving on to our XT540, this is our workhorse. So it's available in 203, 300, 600 DPI, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Again, all metal cabinet, bifold side door, comes in thermal transfer, direct thermal, cutter option, peeler option, really just poised for those high volume industrial label applications. So it's got a USB host port in the front. You can plug a scanner in and just scan to print on demand. So moving on to our mobile line of products. What we've got here is a recently launched SPP L410. This is a 4-inch direct thermal mobile label printer. Comes in Bluetooth, Wi-Fi options. Great for printing 4x4, 4x6 shipping labels on demand. Moving on, little brother L310. Again, same thing, shelf tagging. Great for retail, front end of the store, printing those shelf labels and price tags on demand. Moving on to more of the industrial side of things, the L3000 and the XM740. You can see the difference here, very similar products. You've got the 4-inch and the 3-inch version. So Bluetooth, Wi-Fi options, also comes with the NFC tag for easy pairing to a mobile device. Comes with the shoulder strap option. We've got plenty of cradles, vehicle mounts, 4-bay power chargers for all the batteries, etc. This is a product that we're very excited about. So the XQ840 is a 4-inch direct thermal label printer with an 8-inch Android tablet directly attached to it, connected via USB for fast communication. Comes in 203, 300 DPI. We've got cutter and peeler options, really targeting food safety labeling. So in restaurant environments, everyone's constantly using date dots or something along those lines to prep food and mark food for when that food has to be used by or it expires. This actually is an all-in-one solution that's you're able to put by the prep table in the back of the house at a restaurant, so you can actually read. It says, you know, who printed the label, who prepped the item, when that item was made, when that item needs to be used by, and when it expires. It can also be used for quick service, grab and go, sandwiches, pizza, chicken wings at convenience stores, gas stations, grocery stores, etc. Over here, we've got our XT540. This is a direct thermal 203 or 300 DPI label printer. Comes with a plethora of options: USB, serial, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. It's got a USB host port if you needed to connect a scale or a scanner on the back and store label formats on the inside of the printer. Direct thermal at 203 and 300 DPI. It will be available soon from Bixalon in 2020. This is our first linerless label printer. A lot of companies are now becoming more cost conscious, cost sensitive, and environmentally sensitive. So this printer is great for those companies that are looking to reduce their environmental footprint and take that silicone back liner out of their business. And also increase their profitability because of cost per label savings. So it comes with the LCD display, plenty of options in terms of connectivity, and again, it is our new XL540 linerless label printer. Moving on to the XT340T, this is a product that we have coming out soon. It's a 4-inch thermal transfer label printer. It's got all orange touch points on the inside, so you know exactly where to touch in terms of replacing the ribbon, replacing the roll of media, print head, etc. 203, 300 DPI. We've got all the options in terms of connectivity for you as well. Again, that product will be launching in 2020 from Bixalon.
Welcome to NRF 2020 in New York City. I'm Rick Pino, Senior Channel Business Manager for North America. I want to introduce a couple of our printers and give you some information about what we got going on this year. First, I'm going to start out with our thermal printer line. This is the SRP 332. It's an 80 millimeter, 220 speed printer that's fully 3-year warranty, bumper to bumper, rock solid at a low cost for price conscious customers. Moving on to our bread and butter, that's the SRP 350 plus 3. Again, full 3-year warranty, bumper to bumper, 250 millimeters per second, and probably our best seller in the line. Going down from there, we have the SRP F310-2. It's got a 4-year bumper to bumper with a integrated built-in power supply, feet that stand up because it's fully water resistant, dust resistant with a front exit design. So it's built for beer carts, anywhere it's going to get wet, garden centers, completely water resistant and dust resistant on this one. And then our old staple, the 275-3, which is the impact printer, so that's used in the kitchens. It's got a red and black ribbon, so it prints in the back just like an old typewriter does for food orders. Right next to that, we have the cube printer, which is the Q302 with a B gate, so that actually has a hub on there where you can plug in a ton of different peripherals depending on what you want to use it for. It also has an optional battery, which is about the same size form factor, which holds about 10 full roll size paper, about an 8-hour charge. So anywhere that you don't have power right on hand, you can move it around for a mobile point of sale. You can even add in this display. We have a whole stand and we can build a whole solution for you. And I wanted to highlight one of our most popular printers. It's the SRP S300 linerless printer. What this printer actually does is it prints re-stick media. It's a little hard to see probably there, but it actually comes in different kinds of patterns depending on how you want that to stick. You order your coffee, they'll actually print out a ticket with what you're ordering, your name on there, and they will actually stick it to your coffee cup. So I'm sure a lot of customers and a lot of people out there have already experienced that. You actually get your coffee and have 2 creams, 1 sugar, and you got your name on it. Whenever you get that cup this time, when you stick it on there like that, that's coming from this SRP S300. The other vertical or market this is very strong in is food freshness, food labeling. We work with a lot of KDS, a lot of kitchen display systems, a lot of fresh food labeling, grab to go. We just integrated this printer with a company called Fresh KDS. We also integrated with Modern Market, Kitchen Armor, and Fusion Prep that do a lot of, again, food safety, food labeling, and a lot of kitchen stuff. So if you have any need for a printer that needs a re-stick, where it's not a full label and it's not a receipt, that's a perfect hybrid. We have media partners that I can actually suggest to you depending on what your needs are, but this would be perfect. You can use it in this or you can stand it up like that. Last but not least, our new product line is our kiosk. We came out with a 2-inch, a 3-inch, both standstill and also the vertical mount. So this is going to be new for 2020. We're going to be putting a nice push on this, and these are, again, great warranty, rock solid. Look forward to bringing that to market in 2020. In the early 2000s, we broke off of Samsung, so we're a South Korean company, and all of our products are built off of that Samsung high-end, cutting-edge technology. All of our products are built right outside of Seoul, South Korea, by our own employees. Everything is all under one roof. We can keep our costs down while keeping our quality high. So again, if you're not using us now or if you're using a competitor, please feel free to reach out to myself, Rick Pino. It's rpino at bigsalon.usa.com. I'd be happy to send you a demo. We can definitely get it integrated with what you're working with for a lower cost, high quality, and a better value for your customers.